Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Village, and in today's session we will take a look at four functions in Excel. Specifically, we will take a look at the minimum maximum function, and then we will take a look at the small and large function and try to see what is the difference between large and maximum and small and minimum. So let's jump into it. If you are here for the first time, I request you to kindly subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our future videos. So on your screen in this particular column, I have written this the initial 12 numbers of the numbering system from 1 to 12. So basically today we will take a look at the minimum and maximum function and the small and large function. So normally they are the minimum and the small sounds that they do the same purpose or the same work, but they are a bit different. So let's take a look at it. Now if I want to find out what is the minimum value number in this 12 numbers or in this particular range, what I need to do is I will type is equal to, and then let me change this to number so there is no confusion. I will change this format to number. So we will say is equal to minimum, and it asks us the array or the numbers which we want to judge or which we want to include in our selection. So I want to select this range, so I will select this range and I will close the range with the closing bracket. And now if you see here, what it has done is I will write here minimum and here I will write as small. Now see what it has done is it has picked up the lowest number in this particular range. Okay, so if we come to the small function, if I type here is equal to small, it will ask me the array and it will ask me the element number in array. Means it is asking me uh, what is the level what you are looking at, means which number, means you are looking at the first small number or the second small number or the third small number. Let us see how it is done so that you understand it with a practical example. So I will select this array, and when I put a comma, it is asking me the number. For the initial example, we will type here 1. Once we type here 1 and hit an enter, see what it has done is it has also picked up the smallest number from this lot. So then what is the difference between the minimum and the small function? If you observe over here, the formula does not give any other option but to select only the first minimum number of this range. But in small, I can change this formula and I can say I want the second smallest number by typing here 2. So if I write here 2, see it has shown me the second smallest number. Now if I change this formula over here to 10, see now the second smallest number has changed to 3 because the first smallest number was 1 and the second smallest number in the range is 3. So now I hope you got what I mean by this. And the same goes for the maximum and large function. So without any delay, we will just see the example is equal to max, and it says return the largest value in set of values, ignores logical values and text. Okay, so in between if there is a text column, this will ignore that. Okay, so what we will do is we will type here max Okay, and we will see here is equal to max. We'll open the bracket and we will select this range. Okay, and we close the bracket. Now we can give it individually also, means if you don't want to give as elements, I can also say is equal to max, and I can select this number, then I can select this number, then I can select this number, and I can close the bracket. So then what it will do is it will give me the maximum number from this three numbers, so which is 6. Okay, which is 6. So I hope the max function is clear. Now when we use the large function, what it does is it gives us the option of selecting the largest number, but with an option of having the ranking in it. Means I can select the second largest number or the first largest number or the fourth largest number in a particular given data set or the range of numbers. So example, if I type here large and if I say OK, I will select this range and I will say comma, and initially I will say 1 and it will return 12. Okay, so this is the same as this right now, but here I cannot select the ranking in the largest. Here I can. How? I go there, I change the formula, and this time I say I don't want the largest number, I want the second largest number. So I will write here 2. So in this particular case, what it does is it goes to over the largest number, it skips that, then it goes to the second largest number. If I type here 3, it will go to the third largest number in the data range. So this is how this minimum, maximum, and large and small functions operate, and this is just the difference between minimum and small and maximum and large. I hope that you have found this video useful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and press the bell icon for future notifications, and thanks for watching. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and share it with others. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos.